Artificial intelligence, AI, is no longer a futuristic concept, but a reality reshaping industries, from healthcare and finance to entertainment and education. As AI continues to evolve, it raises an important question. Can it replace humans? While AI offers numerous advantages, it also brings challenges and ethical dilemmas. This video explores the pros, cons, and dangers of AI and emphasizes the irreplaceable value of human input. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our upcoming videos. Understanding the role of AI. AI refers to machines capable of mimicking human intelligence, learning from data, and making decisions with increasing accuracy. From virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to complex systems analyzing medical data, AI is woven into our daily lives. It excels at automating tasks, analyzing vast amounts of information, identifying patterns, and revolutionizing industries like healthcare, finance, and education. However, as its capabilities expand, so do concerns about its limitations, ethical implications, and potential dangers to privacy and security. Pros of artificial intelligence. Number 1. Minimizes human error. Humans are prone to mistakes, whether due to fatigue, oversight, or bias. AI, when programmed correctly, reduces errors significantly. In industries like medicine, where precision is crucial, AI-powered diagnostic tools can identify diseases more accurately and efficiently than traditional methods. Number 2. Enhances decision-making. AI processes data at lightning speed, providing insights that would take humans days or weeks to uncover. This ability to analyze trends and patterns in real time aids in faster, more informed decision-making. For example, in finance, AI algorithms can predict market trends, helping investors make strategic moves. Number 3. 24/7 availability. Unlike humans, AI doesn't require rest, food, or breaks. It can operate continuously, boosting productivity. This is especially beneficial for customer service, where chatbots handle queries around the clock, ensuring customer satisfaction without additional human resources. Number 4. Takes on risky tasks. AI-powered robots can perform dangerous tasks, such as defusing bombs, exploring hazardous environments, or working in extreme conditions. By taking humans out of harm's way, AI reduces risks and saves lives. Number 5. Automates repetitive work. Repetitive tasks can be tedious, draining both time and energy for humans. AI automates these processes, allowing employees to focus on creative and strategic endeavors. For instance, in manufacturing, AI-powered robots streamline assembly lines, improving productivity, minimizing human error, and reducing costs. Number 6. Improves accessibility. AI-powered tools, like speech-to-text software and real-time translation apps, break down communication barriers and create opportunities for inclusivity. They enhance accessibility for people with disabilities or language differences, enabling them to participate fully in education, work, and social activities. Number 7. Excels with big data. In today's data-driven world, analyzing vast datasets is crucial for innovation. AI excels at processing and interpreting big data, identifying patterns and trends with unmatched efficiency. This ability transforms industries like healthcare, finance, and marketing by providing actionable insights. Number 8. Creates smart digital assistants. AI has enhanced daily life with digital assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. These tools simplify tasks such as managing schedules, setting reminders, answering questions, or even controlling smart home devices, making life more organized and efficient. Cons of artificial intelligence. Number 1. Job displacement. One of the most significant drawbacks of AI is its impact on employment. As machines take over repetitive and data-driven tasks, jobs in sectors like manufacturing, retail, and even customer service are at risk. While AI creates new opportunities, the transition can leave many workers struggling to adapt. Number 2. Lacks human creativity. AI can analyze data and generate content, but it cannot replicate human creativity. It struggles with innovation, storytelling, and emotional depth, which are vital in fields like art, literature, and strategic planning. Number 3. Ethical dilemmas. AI's decision-making is based on algorithms and data, but it lacks moral and ethical reasoning. This limitation can lead to biased or harmful outcomes, especially when AI is trained on flawed or incomplete data. For instance, AI in hiring processes has been criticized for perpetuating gender and racial biases. Number 4. Privacy and security risks. AI systems often rely on vast amounts of data, raising concerns about privacy and security. Data breaches or unauthorized use of personal information can lead to serious consequences for individuals and organizations. Number 5. Dependency and reliability issues. As we rely more on AI, there's a growing risk of dependency. System failures or malfunctions can have widespread repercussions, particularly in critical sectors like healthcare or transportation. Number 6. Lack of emotional intelligence. AI can simulate emotions, but lacks genuine empathy and emotional intelligence. This limitation is a significant drawback in roles requiring interpersonal skills, such as counseling, teaching, or caregiving. Number 7. Potential for misuse. AI's power can be misused, leading to dangerous consequences. For example, deepfake technology can spread misinformation, and AI-driven cyber attacks can disrupt systems. Ensuring ethical use is paramount. Number 8. Human laziness. As AI automates more tasks, there's a risk of increased dependency, leading to reduced critical thinking and problem-solving skills among humans. Over-reliance on AI could stifle human innovation and creativity. Dangers of AI. While the cons of AI are concerning, certain dangers warrant special attention. Autonomous weapons. AI-powered weapons could initiate conflicts without human oversight, escalating wars unintentionally. These systems might act unpredictably, leading to catastrophic consequences that are hard to reverse. Mass surveillance. AI can enable intrusive mass surveillance by governments or corporations, severely threatening individual privacy, civil liberties, and human rights. It creates potential for abuse and misuse of sensitive personal data. Loss of control. Advanced AI systems surpassing human intelligence could act independently, making decisions beyond human understanding or control. This poses significant risks, including unmanageable or unintended outcomes. Economic inequality. The advantages of AI often concentrate within major corporations, creating disparities. This deepens economic inequality, leaving smaller businesses and low-income individuals at a disadvantage in an increasingly automated world. The importance of human input. Despite its capabilities, AI is not a replacement for human intelligence. It's a tool designed to augment human efforts, not replace them. Humans bring unique qualities to the table: creativity, intuition, empathy, and ethical reasoning that AI cannot replicate. For example, while AI can analyze customer data, it takes human marketers to craft compelling campaigns that resonate emotionally. Human oversight is also essential to ensure AI systems operate responsibly and ethically. Algorithms must be designed and monitored to prevent biases and errors. Without human input, AI systems risk making decisions that could harm individuals or society. AI and the future. Collaboration, not replacement. The future of AI lies in collaboration with humans. By integrating AI into our workflows, we can achieve greater efficiency and innovation while retaining the human touch. For example, in healthcare, AI can assist doctors in diagnosing diseases, but the final decision rests with medical professionals. In education, AI tools can personalize learning experiences, but teachers remain essential for nurturing creativity and critical thinking. In creative fields, AI can handle repetitive tasks, allowing humans to focus on innovation and storytelling. Striking a balance. Artificial intelligence is a powerful tool with the potential to transform industries and improve lives. However, it's not without its challenges and dangers. By recognizing its limitations and ethical considerations, we can harness AI's potential responsibly. The key is to strike a balance, leveraging AI for efficiency and productivity while preserving the irreplaceable value of human creativity, empathy, and judgment. AI is not a replacement for humans. It's an extension of our abilities, a partner in progress. Together, humans and AI can shape a future that's both innovative and ethical. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.